Hello, everyone. Thank you for attending our virtual dietetics program open house. Our goal with this open house is to offer a preview of our program and all of the rotation experiences so that you can gain a better understanding of our unique focus, mission, and goals. We hope that this will help you in choosing the path best suited to your career goals. My name is Brooke Robertson, and I am one of the Florida Department of Agriculture's and Consumer Services Dietetic Intern alumni, and without further introduction, let's get started. Just a little bit about the Florida Department of Agricultural and Consumer Services, aka FDACS, is that we consist of 18 diverse divisions and offices that work together to safeguard the public and support Florida's agricultural economy. The programs and activities of the various divisions are so extensive they touch the lives of just about every citizen in Florida. The Dietetic Internship program is sponsored by the Division of Food, Nutrition, and Wellness. Our primary responsibility is administering school nutrition programs in Florida. Along with sponsoring the Dietetic Internship, the F&W Division administers the National School Lunch Program, the School Breakfast Program, the After School Snack Program, the Summer Food Service Program, the Fresh Fruit and Vegetable Program, and the Special Milk Program for the state of Florida. Our mission is to ensure that every child in Florida has access to a healthy, nutritious meal each day, increase awareness and consumption of Florida's agricultural commodities, reduce food insecurity among Florida's most vulnerable populations, and encourage healthy lifestyles among Florida residents. We do this by providing outreach, guidance, and training to child nutrition program sponsors, schools, school food service directors, parent and teacher organizations, and students about the benefits of fresh food produced in Florida. The dietetic program's mission is to educate and prepare future nutrition professionals to apply innovative approaches that improve the quality of school meals and impact the current and long-term nutritional status of children. Graduates will be able to apply their expertise as nutrition professionals, transforming lives through dynamic child nutrition programs that foster healthy lifestyles and eliminate food insecurity. The dietetic program goals are to prepare graduates to be competent for entry-level positions as registered dietitians, and prepare graduates to have a positive impact on child nutrition and enhance the quality of school food service programs. So why choose the FDACS Dietetic Internship? Paid experience. A monthly stipend of at least $1,000 biweekly is provided. Length. The length of the program is 8.5 months. Comprehensive rotation experience, diverse, well-rounded training, secure rotation sites and preceptors. Interns have secured placement settings upon acceptance. Travel rotations. Interns gain experience in various settings. Networking opportunities. Interns can connect with dietitians across the state of Florida. Professional conferences. Interns have the option to attend conferences such as the Florida School Nutrition Association Conference, the Florida Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics Conference, and others as available. RDN exam preparation resources. Interns have access to tools and guidance for success, including Visual Veggie software and more. To be admitted to the Dietetic Internship program, you must be a U.S. citizen, provide proof of, at minimum, a master's degree from an accredited graduate and/or undergraduate program, provide a final transcript or letter from the university clerk indicating that the degree has been conferred, submit proof of current medical liability, health and automobile insurance, and a recent physical exam, successfully complete an employment screening and security background investigation conducted through the Florida Department of Agricultural and Consumer Services and a local hospital. Additionally, one or more Level 2 background checks include the completion of a fingerprint card conducted through FDACS or another facility, proof of aggregate liability insurance, submit proof of health and automobile insurance, and complete a medical examination. Both interns receive an individual rotation schedule to follow throughout the year. Each intern's schedule are slightly different. Interns will complete some of the rotations together, while some rotations will be completed separately for facilities that can only accommodate one intern at a time. It is important that our interns stay on top of their schedule and contact each preceptor at least 2 weeks before the beginning of their next rotation to allow sufficient time to prepare. Some facilities require interns to obtain security clearing 1 month before the rotation. The schedule and requirements are communicated to interns as part of their orientation during the first week of the program. Some rotations may require additional security clearance. The internship experiences are gained during rotations in 3 different settings: clinical, which is 12 weeks, community, which is 18 weeks, and food service, which is 5 weeks. The schedule of rotations is designed to build upon the skills gained throughout. For example, interns complete their hospital rotation and become comfortable with medical terms and calculations before moving on to more specific clinical sites such as the Pediatric Pulmonary Center and Dialysis Center. Each rotation offers unique learning experiences that help interns prepare for their future careers as a dietitian. Prior to each rotation, interns are provided with a planned experience checklist and evaluation form. Planned experience checklist and evaluation forms will be filled out by preceptors at the end of each rotation. Interns are expected to keep up with all paperwork to ensure that the required items are completed. Our team will use these to make sure that interns meet the core competencies and concentration competencies required to graduate from the program and gain eligibility to take the RD exam. Interns are also required to fill out evaluation forms for each preceptor and rotation, as well as evaluate their own performance for each rotation. This feedback is used to guide the current year's activities and future initiatives of the program. There are a couple of projects you will complete as an intern, including a clinical case study presentation for each clinical rotation: dialysis, pediatric pulmonary, and general clinical. For these presentations, you will choose a patient to complete a case study based on the ADIME guidelines and present to the nutrition standards team and the preceptors of each prospective rotation. Miscellaneous rotation projects such as creating nutrition education resources, and a final research project about a topic of your choice. This will be a group project between both interns and result in a 35 to 40-minute presentation, a 10 to 14-page research paper, and an annotated bibliography. You will present this project to the nutrition standards team and all of the F&W staff. Receive support and coaching from all of the dietitians on the nutrition standards team, as well as Didactic Fridays, which will be held each month in order to check in with the interns and to keep up to date on the final research project. Interns will have access to tools and guidance for success, including the Visual Veggie software and more. And interns will have the option to attend conferences such as the Florida School Nutrition Association Conference, the Florida Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics Conference, and others as available. At least 80% of program interns complete the program requirements within 13.5 months. Of graduates who seek employment, at least 70% are employed in nutrition and dietetics or related fields within 12 months of graduation. Here are 2 testimonials from previous interns. VV says the FDACS Dietetic Internship program stands out for its focus on child nutrition and school food service, but it also opens the door to a world of opportunities within government and other sectors. The program's emphasis on real-world application and its commitment to fostering an inclusive, supportive environment ensures that graduates are not only well prepared for the board exam, but also equipped to excel in diverse dietetic roles. For anyone passionate about making a tangible impact, this program is an excellent choice. JK says, outside of becoming an RD and going through rotations, this internship provided me with true working experience in the fields of an RD in school nutrition, which I am forever grateful for. I would have never excelled this quickly in K-12 food service if I did not do this program. Many employers throughout my career have expressed how impressed they were with my internship experience and appreciated its uniqueness. If you want a program that supports non-traditional RD roles, provides a variety of experiences, and supports you along every step of the way, this is the program for you. Okay, so we hope you enjoyed this virtual open house of the Florida Department of Agriculture and Consumer Services Dietetic Internship Program. If you have any questions after today's presentation, please feel free to contact our Internship Director, Rick Parks, or our Internship Manager, Sydney Kelly. You can also reach out to any of our dietitians listed on the right side of the screen or visit our website listed on the screen for more information regarding our dietetic internship. Thank you for attending today, and we wish you all the best.